Question number 9. A motorcyclist traveling at 20 meters per second. 20 meters per second is the speed. So this is 20 meters per second. Since they didn't tell us in what direction is the speed. If they say 20 meters per second towards the north, it's talking about the velocity. So note how to differentiate these two. Passes through a speed detector on a motorway in a time of 0.15 seconds. How far does the motorcyclist travel? So t is given as 0.15 seconds. That how far does the motorcyclist travels in this time? How far? We're talking about distance. So distance is what we are asked to find. But just like we said, there's a relationship between speed, time, and distance to be. Distance is given as speed divided by time. And we're asked to find distance. So you cross multiply, and our distance is equal to speed times time. So speed is given as, time is given as 0.15 times the speed, which is 20. So this is same thing as you saying 1.5 times 2, and this is equal to 3 meters distance. Okay, so 3 meters, 3.0. So this is our answer as B. So let's see our performance at the end of this test. Okay, seems to be correct, correct, correct. Okay, so we got 9 out of 9 in the test we just ran on vectors and scalar. That which of the following contains two scalar, which is mass, displacement, and time, which is C. And also this, remember I was talking about 3 kilometer north followed by 4 kilometer west. Okay, so I was actually looking out for this answer, and I think we got it right with the good understanding of vectors and scalars. Okay, so we got them all correct. All right, so let me know what you think about this topic. I'll be dropping more questions on vectors and scalar quantities for you to also try. Kindly like my videos as you watch. Well, I recommend that you subscribe to my channel on YouTube at My Lesson Teacher, and also on Facebook at My Lesson Teacher Maths. Turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand, while I recommend you share the links with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. Do have a nice day, and see you in our next class, where we shall be taking more exercises on scalars and vectors. Do have a nice day.